Welcome to Seasons blog. Seasons Weekly, edition number 9. Seasons just completed 2 months of operations, growing strongly and steadily throughout this time. Now, as we inch ever closer to closing our first quarter, ready to step into the next phase of growth, welcome to another round of exciting updates. Do check out the previous edition if you missed it. Fresh editions of Seasons Weekly drop every Friday. Real numbers, product updates, and lots more. Subscribe so that you never miss a beat. First things first. Rounds number 19 and number 20 of yield distribution completed. $79,764 plus paid in yield so far, across 276 nodes. 4,588 plus total holders, up over 9% from 4,200 plus last week. Project, protocol, and token updates. With 24,762 plus transactions at the time of writing, we're steadily moving closer to our 250,000 transactions milestone for this year, despite all the chaos wreaking havoc across crypto and global finance right now. The overall demand for Seas also held strong through the current high-volatility landscape, with the token registering about 74% more buys than sells. We finalized the core data pipelines for our upcoming dashboard and are now moving on to the next phase of its development. Nearly 1,000 users have participated in our ongoing Galxe campaign, with only about 3 days remaining for those who are still waiting on the sidelines. $2,500 is up for grabs, and time is running out. Besides these, we welcomed a new community manager and moderator in our team this week, getting another robust hand on the deck as we sail full steam ahead into the horizon. Blogs published this week. The Yield Mullet. Your yield, your rules, breaking the lockup trap. What's cooking and what's coming. Partnership and referral program. An early build of the dashboard with limited functionalities. We have also started sharing our audio blogs on YouTube. The full playlist, including all of our published blogs so far, will be out soon. That's all for this week. Join us for more exciting updates next week. Seize the moment, seize the yield.